On the 25th of November 1952, Agatha Christie's play The Mousetrap, which is the longest running play in the world, opened in London's West End. Welcome to History Pod. Originally written as a radio play titled Three Blind Mice, Christie expanded her script into a stage play at the request of the producer Peter Saunders. Having received its premiere at the Theatre Royal Nottingham in October 1952, The Mousetrap then went on tour before opening at the Ambassadors Theatre in London's West End on the 25th of November. Although it later moved to the larger St Martin's Theatre, there was no break, so the play maintained its initial run status. The Mousetrap is a classic Agatha Christie murder mystery and is set in the remote Monkswell Manor guesthouse cut off by a snowstorm. A group of strangers is gathered there when a murder occurs, prompting suspicion and fear among the characters as they attempt to identify the killer in their midst. Inspector Trotter arrives to investigate, and tensions rise as he pieces together the clues. As is typical of Christie's style, the play involves multiple twists and turns, with a surprising final revelation of the murderer's identity which, according to tradition, audiences are asked not to reveal. The play was directed by Saunders and benefited from word-of-mouth recommendations. Its opening night cast included Richard Attenborough as Detective Sergeant Trotter and his wife, Sheila Sim, as Molly Ralston, one of the play's central characters. Their performances were incredibly well received and helped the play's popularity. Christie stipulated that The Mousetrap should not be adapted into other formats, helping to maintain its appeal as a unique theatrical experience for more than 70 years. It holds the world record for the longest continuous run of any play and is currently, as of November 2024, more than 29,000 performances.